This is day 6 of tracking my SCHD portfolio publicly every single day with real money, real numbers, and no hype. Before we talk about SCHD, let's zoom out for a moment and talk about the overall market. Today, the S&P 500 closed red again. The Nasdaq also finished down and red. Meanwhile, the Dow and the New York Stock Exchange managed to stay green, showing a bit of rotation under the surface. So overall, this wasn't a clean risk on day, and yet SCHD had another strong day. SCHD hit another 52-week high intraday and closed the day at $31.01. That's a 51-cent move or a plus 1.67% on the day. Today was also a buy day. I deployed the $1,000 bi-weekly contribution, which allowed me to purchase an additional 34 shares of SCHD. As you can see here, that brings the total account to 6,503.4249 shares held of SCHD. As of the close, the total account value has now increased past the coveted $200,000 mark. The overall position is $201,671.21, a day change of $3,301.28. If we continue to look over here, we can see that ends up bringing our total unrealized gains up to $16,045.17. That is plus 8.64%. So keep in mind, 6 days to make over $16,000. There was no leverage, no option, no trading in and out. One thing to point out, this is not necessarily an issue, just a confusing thing that Merrill does with their account. You can see these numbers at the bottom. It says cash balance, pending activity, margin balance, and it's got some numbers here. Every time I deposit $1,000, it is pending for a few days. And if I go and make a purchase before it settles completely, it actually pulls from margin. And then once it settles, it all sorts itself out. So just know that in a few days, this should work itself out, and we'll see exactly how much liquid cash we have left in the account. And just know that we did spend as close to the $1,065 that we had initially in the account. So if you do the math on 34 shares times the price of our entry, which we'll find out once it settles tomorrow exactly what that is, we'll know what we have left over. As a reminder, the strategy has not changed. We buy SCHD every chance we can with the $1,000 bi-weekly contribution. We automatically invest the quarterly dividends that they pay out, and we let time and compounding do the rest of the work. It's not about timing the market, it's about staying invested through it all. Days like today matter because they show what can happen when capital is positioned in assets designed to weather volatility. While the broader indexes were mixed with red, SCHD continued to do what it's been built to do, provide stability, income, and steady growth. Looking ahead here, we are sticking to the plan. We're going to continue tracking daily. We'll continue adding biweekly contributions with dividend reinvestments, and we'll let compounding play out in real time. If you want to see how this portfolio looks in 30 days, 90 days, a year from now, or even 5 or 10 years from now, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is SCHD ETF King. See you tomorrow for day 7, and thank you for watching.